OK. Now click OK to show your RDP. This is RDP for free Windows. Can you use it? Look this. This is a free for using. Look a speed test. How many megabyte in a second? Oh my god, this is a 1 gigabyte point 1 gigabyte download. Can you use it for anything for free? If you need it, can you following this video to end? I will show you how to create. This is RDP for free. Look, upload 1 gigabyte also. Hello everyone, welcome back to. If you want to make a RDP, okay, let's get started. Follow me please. Before to start, try follow my channel or subscribe or like my video. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need this website, Google Cloud. On this website, Ngrok, on this script for GitHub. This is script to install RDP for Google Cloud. On this is application, you will download it for your computer and run it RDP. Okay, let's get started to install RDP. First, you will need open to Google console.cloud. All this link you will get in description. I will put it in description. Okay, first, sorry. Okay, first you will open to this website and go to here terminal, click it on why to run in a terminal here. We will wait to run a terminal. Okay, this is my terminal is running for a Google Cloud. Now go to this website here, Ngrok, sign up, click to sign up here. I will log out to show you how to sign up. Okay, if you want to sign up, can you sign up with email or GitHub or sign up with Google? I love sign up with Google, but I have a GitHub. I will sign up with GitHub. Okay, I will click GitHub login. Okay, this is my account. I will go to my account. Now go here, your authentication. This authentication. Click here. This is code you will need. Click to copy. To copy, this is code or token. Okay, let's this and go now to script here. Click all the script like this, selection all, and click right on copy or click Ctrl C to copy. Go back to Google Cloud, Ctrl V and click enter. Now you need a token. You will get token from here. This is a token. Click here, click for a copy. You will copy a token like this. Go to token, click Ctrl V to paste a token and click enter. Here you need to selection country when you need a RDP. I need a US. Click here on write US on click enter. Okay, now RDP is installed for Google Cloud. Okay, now I will go to this application. Click here to install for Windows. Download. Here's why start at download. Have a 69 megabyte. Okay, I will wait it to download. I will back here. This is information I need. This is on this is RDP. Have a okay, I will wait. This is a second time for RDP. I will wait it to download. Okay, this is host. To enter in my in this application, on this is port, this is user, on this is password. All information. Okay, you need to enter this information in this program for your Windows and go and run it or use it free. I will wait to download. I don't have why my connection is losing. Okay, I will wait. Please subscribe for my channel, please. Now click open to install it. On white, click here, click yes. White. On click next. I accept. Next, next. White to install. Now click a finish here. If you need to restart your computer, can you click yes or click no? I will click no. Now I will go to application, double click to open, on click OK here, OK, and OK, on click add to add my host on all information, to add my server. I will go to Google Cloud to copy my host. I will copy from this to O. This is my host from 4 to O. Control C, not right click. Click a Control C on here, click a Control V. This is a port. Copy a port, Control C, Control V. Here can you create a name. Create any name you need. I will create a free RDP free. On click add. Click this is button add to add your server. Now double click for this server. On click OK. Here enter user, username, user, on password from 1 to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. On click save information. Now you will click always create a new display on this server. Click yes. White to run my server. Click OK, 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 OK. Now this is my RDP. Can use it for free. Before use it, go to here, go to start, click it, and go to setting to customize display, and go to display here, selection to customize your display to white a full screen. Click a full HD 1090. After selection it, click apply and click keep configuration. Now can you use it full screen? This is your RDP. I will go to speed test. I will wait because this is my first thing to open. Now click accept, click confirm on close. I will go to speed test, click enter and go to first website, click accept and test my internet for my RDP. This is lock internet, is a best internet, 7 in ping. Oh my god, this is internet is better internet. If you need a watch or make a live or make stream or using for anything, can you use it? Look, this is internet. I show it is a better internet on free, but you have a 20 hours in this RDP. After finish this 20 hours, okay, I will show you. This is time for your server, your RDP. I will convert to hours. You will see how many hours for this. 20 hours. Okay, this is numbers is equal 20 hours. Look this, you have 20 hours. After in your 20 hours, can you install all this way like this and start another server. Okay, this is all link you will get in description. Please subscribe my channel. See you in another video.